Boost your well-being with DIY aromatherapy blends easily. Opening scene, soothing background music, soft visuals of essential oils, candles, and a cozy home setting. Narrator, are you looking for a simple way to boost your well-being? Aromatherapy isn't just about great scents, it's a powerful, natural way to relax, energize, and focus. In this video, we'll show you how to create easy DIY aromatherapy blends that you can use anytime, anywhere. Scene transition visual of someone selecting essential oils and arranging them on a wooden table. Narrator, store-bought blends can be expensive, but you can make your own with just a few essential oils. Whether you need to relax, recharge, or stay focused, these DIY blends will transform your daily routine. On-screen text, DIY aromatherapy basics, visuals of essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus being poured into small bottles. Narrator, let's explore 3 powerful dye blends you can start using today. Scene 1. Relaxation blend, close-up of a small bowl with lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood oils being mixed. Narrator, unwind and de-stress with this soothing blend. 3 drops of lavender oil, 2 drops of chamomile oil, 1 drop of sandalwood oil added to your diffuser, or mix it with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. Scene 2. Energy boost blend, visual of someone adding citrus oils into a small roller bottle. Narrator, need an instant energy boost? Try this revitalizing blend. 3 drops of lemon oil, 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of orange oil. Apply it to your wrists or diffuse it in the morning for a fresh start. Focus and productivity blend, a person working at a desk, inhaling a blend from a diffuser. Narrator, stay sharp and boost productivity with this powerful blend. 3 drops of rosemary oil, 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of eucalyptus oil. Diffuse this in your workspace to enhance concentration and mental clarity. Final scene, closing message, visuals of all 3 blends with a glowing, cozy background. Narrator, DIY aromatherapy is an easy way to enhance your well-being naturally. Try these blends and see the difference for yourself. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more wellness tips. Call to action, subscribe and stay tuned. Final screen with a subscribe button, channel name, and social media handles. Soft music fading out.